Dear student, this is Ravi sir from Ravi Max Tuition Center, Chennai. See, this is the answer for the CBSE 10th standard model paper. I given one already. See that answers with explanation. See, first question, what is HCF of 161 and 303? So nothing is common because 303, if you divide by 3 means 101 comes. This is the prime number. So you can't divide anything. So common factor is only 1 for this. So HCF. So number of second question, number of polynomials having zeros minus 2 and 5. See, minus and 2 5 means you have to make the equation x squared minus, see, sum and product, you know that, no? So sum is 3x, sum is 3, product is minus 10 sum. That means only one polynomial you can make from this. So x squared minus 3x plus minus 10. Okay, so only one polynomial possible for these two factors. So next 38 term of an AP, whose first term is given, see 10 given, second term is 7 given. So that means now you know A is 10 here. So A is 10, first number is 10. Then 38th term means you can find out 30 means 29 into difference. Okay, 29 into what is the difference between the second term and first term means it become minus 3. So just multiply minus 3. So this become minus 87 plus 10. So this become minus 27 second sum. Then find the horizontal vertical lines of the determinant of the position of the points of Cartesian plane is called x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is horizontal line, vertical. Okay, this is horizontal line, this is vertical line. So this we can say as x-axis, this is y-axis. So that is the general thing they are asking. Then they are asking 2 tan 30 plus 1 plus tan square 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, so 2 by root 3. Then this will be tan 30 is 1 by root 3, again tan square 30 means become 1 by 3. Take LCM, 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So I'll make it reciprocal. This value is root 3. So 2 by root 3, okay, into this become 3 by 4 because of squaring and taking cross multiply LCM. Okay, this is 2. Then 3 and root 3 cancel, root 3 times. So answer is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 answer for the sin 60 value, only root 3 by 2. So equate. The height and length shade of them and all same. Okay, then the angle of elevation. See, that is actually this is a right angle triangle. If it is these two sides, height and the shadow equal means now it's only tan 45. So 45 degree only possible thing. Then only become this is 90. So same means is isosceles right angle triangle, so that become 45 degree. The perimeter and area of the circle is numerically equal, then the radius is equal to. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So you know the 2 pi r. Okay, perimeter of circle. Area of circle pi r square. So pi r square. So pi cancel and one r cancel. So that means the radius is only 2. The value of k dash, which system of linear equation, this to given infinity many solution means all that thing are a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal. That means see, first letter is k by 16 here equal, second letter is what is given here 4. Okay, this is 4 and by k. So that means k squared equals 64 come kx root of 64 means h. Quadratic equation, okay, this given as find the value of p equal to, this means now b square minus 4 equals 0, you know that. So a value is 2, b value is 2, c is p. So that become b square minus 4 ac. So 2 square minus 4 into 8 into b, that's my 4 minus 8 b 0 means p value is 1 by 2 come. Length of shadow tree is 8 meters psi, and the sun's elevation is 45 degree given. So this is a right angle triangle. Length of shadow of the tree is 8 given. This is 8 given. Okay, and angle 45 degree given. So angle is 45 degree. So what is asking? What is the elevation asking? Sun's elevation. Oh. So then 45 degree means automatically is isosceles triangle only. Okay, so automatically this is also 8 only. Probability given, probability not given. So P of E plus P of E bar answer is always 1. Okay, sum of possible event and not possible events are both are equal to 1. because total probability is always 1, you have to remember that. Then nth term of AP is 6 plus 1 given, 6n plus 1 given. What is the common difference they are asking? See, 6n plus 1 given. No, 6n means what? If you substitute the value, no, 6n is 1 means what will come? This is 7 come. N is 2 means what will come? Say 12 plus 1, 13 come. Okay. See, first term is 7, second term is 13. So difference is 6. Second term minus first term. One card drawn from the L-shaped pack of 52 cards. What is the probability getting a black showed? See, black card is totally so there are 52 cards totally. Each card has 13. So diamond 13, heart 13, clover 13, and the clubs 13. So clubs and clovers are the black cards, and the other two are red cards. So black cards is 26 cards totally. King only asking 2 kings will be there. 2 kings 2 by 52. That is just 1 by 26. So express 0.54 bar. Okay, 54 bar only. They making into, they asking you to this form, fraction format. So first you have to bring the 5 this side, that's why multiply 10 on both sides. This become 10y equal to 5.444. Again this number repeated number, only one number is repeated every time. Again one more 10 multiply for this answer. So this answer is 54 become 54, 100y equal 54 come. Okay, then this 100y minus 10y equal 54 minus 5, because this decimals can cancel. 54 minus 4 is 49. So y equals 49 by 90. First you take whole number, then only decimal numbers you have to check. Find the sum of zeros means the middle number. Okay, this is only sum of zeros but opposite sign, minus b by a. Sum of the formula minus b by a. Product is c by a. Okay, this is the formula, minus b by a. So it's a minus 7 by 1. Nature of roots given. Nature of roots is b square minus 4ac. Find out. If it is positive means real roots, negative means not real roots, 0 means equal roots. So the answers come negative, that's why no real roots. Write down the first 4 terms of sequence. So general term is 20 and given means just t1, t2, t3, t4. Find out, that's it. Here n1 means is 5 come, n2 means 4 plus 3 7, n3 means 6 plus 3 9, n4 4 means 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, that's it. Then AP2x26 given, what is the value given? So generally AP no, second term minus first term equal third term minus second term. This is the rule. Okay. So automatically x one side, number one side come. So x is 14 coming. A triangle was sides given. 3 sides are given. What is the right angle triangle? So right angle triangle rule is sum of squares of any two side equal that side. So check that your bigger side, which is your bigger side here. So 18 square find out, then 16 square, 13 square and add. So it's not equal means it's not satisfied. The post shadows is 20 root 3 given, and ground is 60 degree given. Shadow given. Find the height of the pole. They are asking height of the pole. Skip, this is x. This is given. So opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite adjacent tan theta. So opposite is x by 2 root 3 equal tan 30, tan 60 value is root 3. And then cross multiply this 20 and root 3 multiply means root 3 become 3, 60 degree height of the pole. Then the circumference of two circles for 4:9. Find the area. So circumference for 2 pi r. So for two things mean 2 pi r1, 2 pi r2. But 2 pi cancel both sides. R1 by r2 equal 4 by 9 coming. R by r 4 by 9. Then after that area means no pi r squared. So pi r1 squared, pi r2 squared. So pi cancel, r1 squared, r2 squared. But r1, r2 4 by 9. So this becomes square of this number, 16 by 81. That's it. So find the area of the quadrant of circle whose circumference is given. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 22. So r value is 7 by 2 coming, because pi value 22 by 7. 22 cancel. 2r equals 7 come, r equals 7 by 2. Then asking quadrant formula theta by 360 pi r squared, r1 by 4 pi r squared also you can write. So 90 by 360 pi r squared means multiply everything, simplify, this is the answer come. Then surface area sphere is 616 given. Find the radius. Surface area formula 4 pi r squared. 4 pi r squared means r squared value is coming pi by 20 by 7. So r squared is 49 means 7 just. Then a die is thrown once. What is the probability getting a less than number 3? Die means 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So less than 3 means 1 and 2 only there. So 2 out of 6. So 1 by 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pass of integers. HCF LCM given, the product is given. So just find the LCM for this. You know how to find factors, prime factors method. After find prime factors, you just simplify. Then product of two numbers find out. Both are equal means automatically condition satisfied. For 1 0 is 8 given, other product of 0 is given 56 means square what is the thing. Okay, then divide, then subtract. Product is 20 means so the other thing is minus 7 come. Okay, I think is minus 7. Then sum of this is 1 come. So x squared, say 1 is 1 0 is alpha, this is beta keep, because 56 by 7. So quadratic formula x square minus sum into x plus product. Okay, so x square minus sum means 8 minus 1 is 1 come. So because of formula minus 1x, product is 56. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. You can use the formula method or this method. In factorization method, you have to take LCM. After finding LCM like this come, for this is you can take 4 common, 4x common. Here take minus 1 common. So 4x minus 1, x value is 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Which term of this is 420 given? Here the a first time is a d is second term minus percent, that also 21. Last term is given a n is 420. A in formula just a plus n minus d. 420 take 10, 421 take that side, then 21 divide, n value is 20 come. In a right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse is 20 and the ratio of the two sides 4:3 given, so for this you can draw one right angle triangle. Okay, one right angle triangle draw. One is 4x given, one is 3 given. So this is you can keep 4x, this is you can keep 3x, and the hypotenuse given 20 given. So Pythagoras theorem, 4x square plus 3x squared equal 20 square, that means 16x square, 9x square, 20 come, 25x squared equal to 400 come, x squared value 16 coming, x equal to 4. Okay, then 4 means if this 4x means 16, other thing is 3x means 3 into 4 is 2. The length of the minute hand clock is 14. Find the area of the sword by the hand. So the clock length means that is the radius. Okay, this is a 14 is radius. Area theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is because 360 in one circle for the clock. So 360 by 60 into 5. So answer is 30 degree coming. First find degree. So after finding degree, theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 30 by 360 into pi into r square. Radius is 14. So 14, then simplify, that answers come. This regular root 3 rational number. So root 3 by 2 p by q keep 2 root 3 take down. 3 take down this is. So p by 2 q equal this one. Then this is a rational number and this also a rational number, because of this is a rational number. But the contradicts are fact, because root 3 is a rational number. Therefore 3 root 2 is a rational number only. The given unique solution. Okay, unique solution means if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So 2 by 3 not equal to k by minus 5. Then cross multiply values. Only you have to remember this rule, only you have to remember for the unique solution. Okay. How many 3-digit numbers divisible by 11 they are asking. The 3-digit number is divisible by means first number is 110, then 121. Because 100 is not divisible, then you can take the 121 110 only divisible. Then first number is 110, difference is 11. So this is an is 390. Okay, so a plus n minus 1 an. Okay, that formula substitute. That's it. N value is 81. The sum of first 14 terms of AP is 1050, and its first term is 10 given, and the 20th term is asking. Okay, S14 given, 8 given, Sn formula a plus 2a plus n minus 1 d, 2a plus n minus 1 d, substitute the value. So Sn formula 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, n by 2. So substitute the values, everything, just cross multiply, simplify. So d value get, after d value they're asking 20th term a n formula, a plus n minus d, then substitute over. This kind of figure is prove that they're asking. So it's a BPT theorem. So now AL by LC equal to AM by MB. Same method, this side triangle, that is for triangle ABC. Now triangle for EADCACD, AL by LC equal to AN by ND. So that this side second, this and this and proportional, these two sides are equal. That means these two are equal, that's it. Next secant A equal 1 minus secant A, then secant A plus tan A they are asking. So secant A means 1 by cos A. So this 1 minus 1 sin A. Secant A means 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Take LCM 1 plus sin A by cos A. So 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A means 1 minus sin squared A. Cos A come down, cos squared A. So then sin squared minus sin squared formula is cos squared, then cos squared equal to. The diest ones, find the probability of getting a prime number between 2 and 6 or not. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prime number means 2, 3, 5. So 3 by 6. Then next number lying between 2 and 4, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 by 6 again. Odd number is 1, 3, 5. Same method. Find all zeros of this. 2 zeros is given. So this x equal to root 2, x equal minus root. That means x minus root 2, x plus root 2. Then multiply this means x squared minus 2 come. After finding x squared minus 2, you just divide long division this answer. Then that quotient come this value. Then this quotient again you factorize this and factorize this 2x minus 1, x minus 1 coming. Then x equal 1 by 2, x equal to 1. So zeros of polynomials 1 by 2, 1 and the root 2 comma minus root 2. So next Ritu runs downstream 20 kilometers, 2 hours, upstream 4 kilometers. Okay. So upstream means x minus y, downstream means x plus. Only thing you have to remember this properly. So 2 kilometers means 2 into x plus y 20, then x plus y 20 10 comes. Same method, downstream is 2 into x minus y is 4 kilometers. Okay. Then this become 2. Then solve these two equation 1 and 2. You get x value, y value. Then solve these two, x and y value come means that's it. So in this figure given and one triangle, one semicircle and one quadrant. Okay. So first area of the semicircle, first you find the diagonal of the thing one out. So 28 square plus 21 square, that means it will be 1, 2, 2, 5 come. Then the answer is 35 come. So this diagonal come. After diagonal, find the area of the semicircle. Radius, diameter is 35, radius is 35 by 2. So when doing this 1 by 2, 22 by 7, 2, 35 by 2, answer is 481.5 come. Then again area of the triangle find out. Triangle means half into base rate, half into 21 and 28, 294. Then area of the quadrant is theta by 360 pi r square, 90 by 360 into pi into radius is 21. Simplify, 346.5 come. Then you have to add the semicircle plus triangle. After finishing this full area come. From the full area subtract the this quadrant. Okay, so answer is 48.5 come. So this is basic sum only, mean. Okay, so that is number of days given, that is class interval given. Then you have to find mid value. Mid value means add these two number divided by 2 means it will be 3 come. Same method, 16 by 2 is 8 come, like that find out mid value. Then d, if you don't know d method means directly f into d find out. Fx find out. Fx means this into this multiply directly. Then mean equals sigma fx by sigma f, that is. Okay, so this is simplified method there. So you can do direct method also if you don't know. That means 33 80 plus 84, like that add. Then add the frequency 40. So then adding that value by this value, that's it. You can do direct method also if you don't know that method means. So now see trigonometry. If you stand vertically bank, TV stars, okay, this is given, one thing is 60, one is 30 given, distance between the moving, how much is doing 20 meters, okay, another point is 20 meters away from the starting point. Then height of top of the tower is 30 degree, okay, find the height of the tower asking. First you do the triangle ABC. AB is opposite by adjacent equal tan 30, tan 60. So AB by this is tan 60. So we know this is H, this is BC they keeping, you can keep X also. So BC value is coming H by root 3 because this BC go that side, that root 3 come this side. So then after the triangle ABD, so opposite is H, this is H, okay, opposite H, then this is X plus 20, H by X plus 20 equal tan 60, tan 30. And then H value you know, already you know that X value H by root 3. Then take LCM and cross multiply, or whatever you know, what method you know, just cross multiply and do this bring this side and this bring this side. Then H by root 3 take one side, then H take common. After that H bracket 1 minus 1 by root 3 come, then simplify that part. Then this is a construction, you know, people, so to do that, otherwise I'll do and show on class. So this is the answer for that first revision paper, first model paper. I'll do more papers, just follow my YouTube channel SR Max. So share your friends, just like my things and all. In my Facebook, everything I've given the questions in picture format, and the answers in the video format only. In YouTube only will get. So just follow my YouTube, subscribe my channel and share my channel. Okay, thank you.